At M365 Pros, we understand that your business communication is vital. That's why we offer comprehensive email migration services to ensure a seamless transition from your current email service to Microsoft Exchange Online service. Our team of experts has extensive experience in migrating emails from various platforms to Microsoft Exchange Online service. We ensure a smooth transition with minimal downtime. We prioritize the security of your data. Our migration process ensures that your data is transferred securely without any data loss. Our dedicated support team is available round the clock to assist you during and after the migration process. We conduct a thorough assessment of your current AD system to identify potential challenges and plan the migration process accordingly. We transfer all your user identities, groups, and other data to the new system. We ensure that all your data is accurately migrated. After the migration, we provide support to ensure that your team can effectively use the new system. We address any issues that may arise and provide training if necessary. We can help you move from your on-premises Exchange server to Microsoft 365. If you're currently using Google Workspace, we can migrate your emails to Microsoft 365. We can migrate your IMAP email accounts to Microsoft 365. If you're using GoDaddy's hosted M365, we can help you transition to Microsoft's hosted M365. Switch to Microsoft Exchange Online service with M365 Pros and experience a hassle-free email migration. Contact us today for more information. Our migration services start from $500. Switch to Microsoft Exchange Online service with M365 Pros and experience a hassle-free email migration. Contact us today for more information.